work outfit of the day today. I'm going into the office for a rare sighting. This never happens. So I wanted to share my quick outfit. Honestly, just really wanted to share this top because I love it so much. It's from Amazon. Showing up kind of black on camera, but it is like a navy blue with the gold button details. Just super cute. Perfect for spring and summer for the office. And then I just paired it with my white Levi jeans. They're just my high-waisted jeans, nothing special. And my little Zara heels that I wear all the time. Top is definitely the star of the show. It's so cute, so affordable, and comes in a couple different colors. This is the look for today, and I'll see you guys soon.
What I ordered versus what I got, Amazon fashion. What I ordered versus what I got. This set is so much better than I was expecting. It's giving Elle Woods vibes in the best way possible. This skirt is a perfect high-rise mini length, and I am 5'9" for height reference. I'm wearing a size medium. The skirt fit perfect, and the top was just a little bit big, but it still looked great. What I ordered versus what I got. This was going to be a hit or miss, and it is such a hit. It is the perfect summer maxi dress. The fabric, material, and quality feels so high-end. I would never have believed it was from Amazon. Also, the shipping was much faster than it said. What I ordered versus what I got. I was worried about this one, but it turned out so good. Keep in mind, the top has no stretch, so it's better for smaller bust sizes. The skirt has an elastic waist in the back, so that fits amazing. I loved the pink, but also comes in more colors and looks so much more expensive than it is. What I ordered versus what I got. Butter yellow is the color of the spring, and it can be a really hard color to find since it needs to be the perfect shade. This dress is in fact the perfect shade of butter yellow. I love all the tiers on this one. It's super classy and would be so much fun on the dance floor at a wedding.
Moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. What you know, my love is so mystical.
Amazon spring dresses. This one is not new, but it just continues to be one of my absolute favorite dresses. I do have it in multiple colors. It does have pockets. Like this cotton gauzy material, really soft, tucking all the way throughout. Adjustable straps that are tied here at the top. In a size small, it fits true to size. It washes well, it wears well. It's a 12 out of 10 for me. Also, I have to continue to talk about these cute little raffia heels. They're so cute. I love the little detail that the heel is short and chunky and comfortable. Okay, this next dress is literally spring in a dress. Are you kidding me? Look at this little bow detail. The bow is there, but it's not the strap. It's like on top of the straps. It's literally just a little added bonus. Elastic waistband, a tiered skirt that is fully lined. I just love this color combo. I love the silhouette. I love how it feels. It flows. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Pair it with another little Amazon heel. These are the little cork ones. They're so cute. They fit true to size and they're comfortable. This dress is so gorgeous. I love a classic white dress. You have an empire waist. You have a little puff sleeve, great length, and we have pockets. Can't go wrong with a cute little white dress for spring and summer. If you don't have an Easter dress yet, this might be it because this little light blue eyelet number is absolutely perfect. Cute little puff sleeve. Have the little tie front detail, elastic waistband, flared skirt that is fully lined. I'm small in this one as well. Hits right at my knee. I'm 5'2". These will be saved in my Amazon storefront. I love you girls. Bye. About to put you onto some easy Amazon office looks. You won't be disappointed. Up with this whole burgundy pink moment because this color combo is so good for spring. My favorite workwear pants from Amazon just upgraded. These have always only had 2 loops in the front. The new ones have loops in the back now. Thank you so much. Because I do an extra small long and I like the thin version. There is a thicker version, but I feel like the thin one just kind of like flows. Best part about these pants is they're under $40. They're $39. Belt is Amazon. This cute little top comes in so many different colors. I'm in a size small. This one is $30. Literally $30. I recently shared these shoes. They are a designer inspired shoe. Match my belt perfect, so that's what we're going with. Already know anytime I wear a button down, we're using the micro stitch gun. You can see right there, it's attached. It will not damage your clothes and it keeps your collar down. A clutch to tie the look in together. This little burgundy woven bag. I have this in multiple colors. I absolutely love it. Goes with everything. Perfect little finishing look. Style the other 2 looks in a different video, so come back for part 2. We'll keep this series going, but what do you girls think? You like? Everything will be saved in my Amazon storefront. Love you girls.